Building a digital marketing strategy involves several key steps to effectively reach your target audience and achieve your business goals. Here's a comprehensive guide on how to build a digital marketing strategy. Define your goals. Start by defining clear and specific goals for your digital marketing efforts. These could include increasing brand awareness, driving website traffic, generating leads, boosting sales, or improving customer retention. Identify your target audience. Understand who your target audience is, what their needs and preferences are, and where they spend their time online. Create detailed buyer personas to help guide your marketing efforts. Choose the right digital marketing channels. Determine which digital marketing channels are most appropriate for reaching your target audience and achieving your goals. This could include search engine optimization, SEO, pay-per-click, PPC, advertising, social media marketing, SMM, content marketing, email marketing, influencer marketing, affiliate marketing, online PR. Create compelling content. Develop high-quality, relevant, and engaging content that resonates with your target audience. This could include blog posts, articles, videos, infographics, ebooks, white papers, webinars, podcasts, and more. Optimize for search engines. Implement SEO best practices to improve your website's visibility in search engine results pages, SERPs. This includes optimizing your website structure, content, keywords, meta tags, and backlink profile. Engage on social media. Build a strong presence on relevant social media platforms where your target audience is active. Share valuable content, interact with your audience, and participate in relevant conversations to increase brand awareness and drive engagement. Utilize paid advertising. Consider using PPC advertising platforms like Google Ads and social media advertising platforms like Facebook Ads to reach your target audience with targeted ads. Set specific targeting parameters to ensure your ads are seen by the right people. Measure and analyze results. Track the performance of your digital marketing efforts using key performance indicators, KPIs, such as website traffic, conversion rates, click-through rates, social media engagement, and ROI. Use analytics tools like Google Analytics, social media insights, and marketing automation platforms to gather data and gain insights into what's working and what's not. Adjust and improve. Based on your analysis, make adjustments to your digital marketing strategy as needed to optimize performance and achieve your goals. Continuously test different tactics, channels, and messaging to improve results over time. Stay updated. The digital marketing landscape is constantly evolving, so stay updated on industry trends, best practices, and new technologies to ensure your strategy remains effective. By following these steps and continuously refining your approach, you can build a successful digital marketing strategy that drives results for your business.